One of the most common types of sloped roof covering materials in the United States and Canada is asphalt shingles. Asphalt shingles have a service life from 20 to 40 years, depending on the shingle quality, the installation, and the maintenance. When they begin to age, they may begin to lose their granular covering and start to deteriorate, crack, and curl. In that condition, the shingles may need to be replaced. In the inspection image, the edges of the older shingles are starting to curl slightly. No more than 2 layers of asphalt shingles should be installed on a deck of a roof structure at any one time. In the inspection image, the inspector is checking the number of shingles in layers. Now, if the second layer of the asphalt shingles has been applied, the inspector could check to see if all of the flashing materials of the first layer were reinstalled with the new second layer. In the inspection image, the inspector is checking the roof-to-wall flashing and observing properly installed step flashing.